Hello, hello! Good afternoon! Happy Saturday, beautiful people! Nag-isip ako, no? Excuse me. Magkape muna tayo. Ayan. Ayan. Super ang aking araw. Double class ako today. So, talagang, tawag nun? Pagod pero may energy paghapon. May energy pa, marami pa. We still have an event to go this afternoon talaga. Yeah, so anyhow, happy Saturday, beautiful people. 1:26 p.m. na po dito sa Ontario, Canada. It's Tita po. And good afternoon, good morning, good evening kung saan man po kayo sa mundo. I hope your weekend is amazing. You are happy, you are healthy, you are loving life, you are enjoying life, di ba? Yeah. So nag-iisa ako ngayon kasi nag-volunteer si RJ. And then double class din kasi ako. So yeah. So but anyhow, fun morning. Lots of sweat. Workout. And then I went shopping of course before, and then yeah, because ang aking partner ay nag-volunteer today, and then we're gonna have fun this afternoon. So hopefully it's not gonna rain. Yeah, so we're going to his fundraising event. Yun ang aming afternoon with family of course. Yes. So yeah, so anyhow, yeah, shout out muna sa aking mga followers diyan. Maraming salamat at saka doon sa mga nanonood secretly, o di ba? Mga nanonood yan secretly kung ano yung ginagawa ko online, bakit ako nagla-live, nagpo-post. Yes, because I wanted to share this amazing opportunity sa inyo guys. Yeah, so anyhow, every time na mag-live ako, I always have something na topic para yun ang ating, kumbaga, yan ang ating pag-uusapan. Okay, so my point is not really promoting my business. It's just like, to inspire you guys to hoping na and then to give you value kung ano yung dinidiscuss natin or ano yung sinishare ko sa inyo. Okay? Yeah, so anyhow, nilagay ko po dyan sa aking caption today, our action will either keep us stuck or move us forward. Right? So, what I mean by that is, because let's face it, marami sa atin na talagang gustuhin man na mabago ang buhay, pero pinapairal talaga yung ating pagka-skeptical, yung ating takot, yung ating mga doubts natin, yun ang pinapairal, di ba? So kaya marami sa atin na kahit na hindi gusto kung saan man sila ngayon, kahit na hindi gusto yung trabaho, but talagang pa rin, nandyan pa rin, hindi gumagawa ng hakbang because why? It's comfortable, right? Change is always uncomfortable, diba? Pero kung wala tayong gagawin, kung hindi natin gusto kung saan man tayo ngayon, then walang mababago. Because at the end of the day, sino ba ang driver ng buhay natin? Tayo din, di ba? Tayo din. So, yan lang kasi ang excuse me guys. Yeah, because ang dami kong nakakausap every single day na talagang, kumbaga, na andyan na, alam na, kahit na aware na there is something that I need to change in my life. Pero, talagang hindi naglalakas ng loob. Okay? Kung iisipin natin, yes, doing something different is risky. Right? Doing something new is risky. Especially if you're going to think it's an online opportunity. Right? Yan kaagad ang mentality. Right? Because ganun din ako nung nag-umpisa ako. But you know what is riskier? Yung magpapaiwan ka. Yung kahit na alam mo, you're aware na hindi sapat yung kinikita mo, yung aware ka na you need to do something, yung bang iniisip mo na I need to do something different because this is not working, pero pinapairal mo pa rin ang tawag doon, ang takot mo, ang pagka-skeptical mo. So sino ba ang pinaparusahan mo? Kung hindi sarili mo rin, di ba? So you're in action talaga na kahit na pinakita na sa'yo, like, yung iba, talagang ilang beses na pinakita. Okay? I understand. Kasi ganun din ako. Before I started this business, 3 beses ko nakita ang webinar before pa man ako nag-go. Right? But I'm glad I did. Because kung hindi, hindi ako makapag-enjoy ng weekend ko ngayon. hindi ako maglakas loob na iwanan yung full-time job ko, o di ba? Kung hindi ako kung hindi ko pinursigi ang sarili ko na baguhin, because that is the first thing, is talagang dapat aware tayo na may babaguhin tayo. Diba? Dapat we acknowledge na meron tayong babaguhin sa present situation natin. Now, kung aware tayo niyan, because like we know that you wanted to change something, because kung ayaw niyo na magbaguhin kung ayaw niyo na may mabago sa buhay niyo, you won't reach out. Diba? Ooh. You won't reach out. Right? So you are aware, you acknowledge that there is something in your life that you need to change. That's why you are looking for something outside of your job, outside of your profession. Right? It doesn't matter kung ano man yun. Because for me, when I started looking, I wanted, my first goal was to spend more quality time with my son, especially my son. Now, how would I do that? Na weekend, ay super busy ako sa weekend. And then, by the time, thank you for my 1 million viewers, by the time I have my days off, which is Wednesday and Thursday at that time, by the time I have my day off, he's going to his day program. So, what time do we have left na para mag-enjoy kami sa mga gusto namin gawin? So, wala. So, I acknowledge, I was aware that I needed to do something different, because what I was doing, although I love what I was doing, it was not working because my life wasn't balanced, right? Yes, nakakaraos, yes, I can pay my bills, but I didn't have the time to enjoy life. So what for? What are we working for, right? Yan talaga ang tanong ko sa sarili ko. Bakit ako nagpapakahirap para sa pamilya ko, para ma-enjoy ko ang buhay? But at that time, no enjoyment. Right? So, yes. So, I'm glad talaga na I did. Kahit na, kahit na hindi ko pa alam kung anong mangyayari sa business ko, but I was confident na merong mabago. Right? So, yeah. So, anyhow, so yan yung po ang ibig kong sabihin. Our action will determine kung anong mangyayari sa buhay natin. Okay? Halimbawa, kung hindi tayo gagawa ng paraan to change whatever circumstances that we have right now, then hindi mababago yan. Diba? Whereas, if you look for something, if you take charge na para baguhin ang sitwasyon mo, then tendency, of course, it will change. 'Di ba? Kasi yun ang yun naman talaga, 'di ba? Because for me, if I did not start my business, my online business, then I would have been still probably doon pa rin sa ginagawa ko dati. Nasa full-time job pa rin ako, di ba? So my weekend would have been really crazy busy, right? And I could not, life would have been just bye with my family. You know what I mean? But I started my business because I acknowledge that my situation was not working. Right? Hindi naman, kasi kung tutuusin natin, yes, nakakapag-provide tayo, but it doesn't have to be just there. Hindi lang dapat ang i-provide natin sa sarili natin at sa pamilya natin ay in terms of money. It has to be like emotional support for our kids, help nila sa kanilang mga assignment, like being there, di ba? yan ang talagang dapat natin. Yan talaga ang dapat na goal natin, di ba? Yeah, so anyhow, so I I'm grateful na kahit na I haven't hindi ko alam kung ano yung gagawin ko. I was not sure if it's going to work or not, but I was sure that I needed to change something. Right? So that's the first thing talaga. That's the first thing. Acknowledge that there is something that you needed to change. Right? Be aware na meron kang babaguhin sa sarili mo, and then I'm not saying that do the business that's because I am in the business, but whatever you think can change your situation na para ma-achieve mo ang goal mo. Yan ang ibig kong sabihin, okay? But for me, I'm really grateful na kahit na hindi ko alam kung anong mangyayari, but I'm grateful na I started. Kahit ako ay takot, kahit ako ay walang pera, because yes, there is an investment, right? It's 100% legitimate business, but I am glad I did it. Right? So now, see, makakapag-enjoy ako. I hope it's not gonna rain. Because yes, it's an outdoor fundraising. See? So I won't be able to enjoy this kind of things. I won't be able to go biking with my son on the weekend because I'm busy, right? I was busy, right? But now, marami kaming time na para sa sarili namin. Every Tuesday, for those of you that guys know na may disability yung anak ko, every Tuesday na andun ako sa meeting ng kanyang caseworker. Naandun ako, present ako, right? Naandun ako pag nag-work siya, hinahatid ko yan. So, yan, mga maliit na bagay yan, pero yan ang pinaka-importante. Because if we think about it, ask yourself, bakit ba kayo nagpapakahirap? Diba? Di para sa pamilya, diba? But, ang tendency, laging nasa huli ang pamilya. Right? So, yeah. So, anyhow, I hope it makes sense. So, if you are someone, if you acknowledge that you have something to change in your life, okay? If you are in that situation where I was before, you acknowledge that there is something to be done, to change, then if you are someone that is looking for a way, right, to earn without sacrificing your family time, so maybe this video is for you. Maybe there's a reason why you're watching, right? So yeah, so anyhow, go in my business page na andyan po ang aking website. So all you have to do, sign up with your name and email address, and then my back office will send you the information that you need. Okay po? So maraming salamat. I'm hoping that